Guys, it's Mikey fixing to make it rain on this
Not
on my
now, not
babes.
now.
Hey, I'm looking at to East Pier or West Pier.
I'm. Oh my.
And then you guys all die and somebody takes them home.
Imagine if one just fucking shows up right now. You know how fucking pissed I'd be.
Hey,
Oh my.
Yo guys, just out here making it rain. Let's get it.
it's
Gotta take care of my
quit.
boo.
Well, I think I definitely have enough for the camo now.
How many diamonds did you just get?
She's still
4,000.
picking them
I
up.
had 24,000.
I can
Let me
throw you a
see.
few more just in case.
I almost have 5,000.
I can throw you enough to get some hearts.
Hell yeah. Hi,
I just have
Simile.
to,
Donde? Donde, bitch? There's nothing there. I can't see them. When you throw too many at once, like glitches out and I can't see them. Now let's go. It's fucking cold as balls. Rob, fine.
hey Mikey, how do you quit that message? It's not even letting me do that. Yeah, I know, I did that. They should drag it. I'm retarded. I'm retarded. I thought you just click it and it just goes to it.